Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So, I actually just got off of work right now, and this is the first time I'm actually looking at my portfolio today. So, let's see how it is. Oof, look at that. The portfolio is close to 32,000. So, we're basically back on top, baby. This is actually the highest close we've had. Wow. And look at that. We're getting back to the all-time highs since last year. We're getting to that time where the flash, basically, like, super fast crashed 30% in like less than a month. Yeah, 30% in a month. The crash that happened, and we're getting back to it. So we're getting back to all-time highs. It's crazy how because around this time Tesla last year was going crazy, and that's what brought my portfolio up a lot. And this year it's Neo that's actually running the portfolio, so it's kind of symmetrical. I was up in Tesla a lot, and then Neo. Neil's not really doing that well right now, but it's for the long term, guys. It's for the long term. Because if Neil was going closer to all-time highs, it would be $10 more, $11 more. I'll be up $2,000 more on the portfolio, so we'll be closer to 34,000 if Neil was performing well. But I'm still optimistic about Neo for the long run. I don't really even pay attention to it that much. Because when you're a long-term investor, you just buy and then you just leave it alone. Oh, and look at that. As you see, Aphria went crazy today. Aphria is going up a lot, up 17% plus 4% after hours. Wow. It's up to 15. I said if this stock would go up to 20 bucks. Might actually happen sooner if they keep having days like this. Because look at this growth. Jesus, 200% in the past 3 months. And I've been having this stock for quite a while. I'm up 101% on this one. It's at 15 bucks right now. Like I said, I believe this stock can easily hit $20 this year. So there's still maybe a 30% increase for what I see. If it goes any higher than that, that's just amazing. Basically doubled my investment on Aphria, and I believe it can go up a lot more. And this is why I love the portfolio. When I have my stocks are doing very well, and there's always some stocks that you can buy on the same day. Like Aphria is up 17%, basically 18%. Then you see Shopify. We haven't seen Shopify up 7% in one day. Jesus. And it's mainly, let's see, if there's any news on this? What happened to the news? Does it say here? Come on. It doesn't even show the news on Shopify. What happened to the news section on here? Well, I guess it doesn't want to tell us what's going on with Shopify, but I was always optimistic on Shopify. I knew this stock could easily hit a $1 trillion market cap in the next 5 to 10 years. Would be surprised if it didn't. So we still have maybe a 5 to 6x, maybe 7x opportunity at this decade with Shopify. So you might want to jump on if you believe in Shopify. I used to have this stock when it was $70 or even close to it, and I did not hold on to it. One a big mistake of mine. And the next stock I believe is going to be huge for me is Jumia. Jumia was down today. Same thing. Usually Neo and Jumio are up, and Shopify and Aphria are really moving. And then today it's the opposite. Aphria and Shopify are moving. Tesla's up a lot. Dropbox finally got MP Materials to move up a little bit. It was up a lot in the beginning in the pre-market, up 6%, and they just decided to go back down. I'm still waiting on this baby to break all-time highs. It needs to hit $40 to hit all-time highs. So that's another $10 increase, $9 increase. Another 30% needs to go up. So that'll be a nice gain if you want to get in. I'm still down on this position, but I might be buying some more if it goes down. Beyond Meat's down a lot. Might be a good one to buy. Like I say, like most of these stocks, they are up a lot, and some of them are just down a lot. So it's got opportunities to buy some when they're down, and then the next day Neo will take over and Jumia will take over while Aphria stays stagnant and Shopify stays down. Corsair Gaming's slowly been making its way upwards. I saw it go all the way up to, let's see, 49.60. It was up $10 this week in the beginning of the week, and it went back down. So it really wants to explode upwards. It really does. Really does. $10. If it goes up $10, I'll be up basically $1,000 on this position. Would love to get 100 shares into this one. Like I've been saying, I wanted to get Jumia 100 shares, Corsair Gaming 100 shares, MP Material 100 shares. I wanted to get Shopify closer to $7,000 in equity. Here, look at my equity. 11,000. Aphria is going up. Jumia and Shopify are fighting for third place right now. Jumia's up slightly after Shopify's had a great day. And of course, your gaming MP materials are going to be around that price. Tesla, we got, like I said the other day, I said Tesla might be a good buying opportunity over here below the $800. And look what happened. If you would have bought one share, you would have been up $78. And I'm still up quite a bit. I'm up 83% on Tesla. Dropbox, it needs to wake up. It's been doing pretty well in the past 3 months. But then since the beginning of this year, it hasn't been moving. It's really trying to get up, go up. And for my option plays, look at my option plays. Look at my option plays. Neo, I'm up 36% on this call option. The $47 call option, I'm up 36%. My Aphria option, whoof, I'm almost up 200%, up 161%. If it keeps going up, then I'll triple up on my price that I bought it at. That would be very nice. Dropbox, I'm up 20% on these ones. So I'm up quite a bit on these ones. Look at my total return. Up $790 on this. Up $565 on that one. Up $108 on Dropbox. $1,000 on Neo, and Neo is still $10 off from its all-time highs. Aphria, basically up. It's on a 52-week high. Would love to see this one keep going upwards. Jumia, I'm up $1,700 on it, and this is just a small position. I'm still not even maxing out on this position. Like what I plan on doing is, these stocks always have these little down days. If you look at the past month, could have bought in right here. Every time it goes down, just get one share. Shopify, one of my bigger positions, still a baby for me. I want to build out this one. Honestly, I want to get Shopify to be my third biggest position, or tied with these ones at least. Shopify, Jumia, and Aphria, I want to get these up a lot, but they're moving up way too fast. Neo's the only one that's staying stagnant, which I kind of built out my position on that one, but it's still not moving. Aphria is going up way too fast. Jumia is going up way too fast. In the past month, up 55%. Like, relax, slow down. Let me build out my positions, right? Shopify hasn't been moving, and I haven't been putting that much money into it. Aphria, Jumia, of course, your gaming also hasn't been moving. It really wants to pop out. It was up $10, like I said. I want to build this out more. MP Materials, this is the one I need to build out, because let's say when these stocks stop moving, MP Materials most likely will jump up a lot. And this is the only one that I'm down in, I think. Yeah, this is the only stock that I'm down in. MP Materials is the only one that I'm down in. 1,000 on Neo, up 3,200 on Aphria. My biggest position in gains. 1,700 in Jumia, up 400 in Shop. $23 in Corsair Gaming. It was up, like I said, I was up a lot more. MP Materials down. Tesla up 1,300. Dropbox up 200. Beyond Me up 200. IIPR up $14. Bitcoin down $2. Down $2. I sold my Ethereum first, just to keep my cash balance up. I made like a 10% gain on it. I might do the same thing with Bitcoin if it keeps moving upwards. I just want to get a better cash balance in my portfolio, because I'm basically at 14,000. I would love to get that to below 10K, or under 30% of my portfolio. And that's the below portfolio review, guys. So how I'm doing. All 1 year. I think tomorrow, if my portfolio does not go up a lot, I'm gonna be down for the year, and it's gonna be because of the crash. So look at that live. Up $50 in the past hour, up $1,500 today, up $1,200 in the past week, up $9,000 in the past month, up $13,000 in the past 3 months, $500 in the past year, all time, 100%, and we're making our way back to all-time highs. So stay tuned. We're on the road to 100K.